Starting to write on Medium is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to begin sharing your stories and articles on the platform. Create a Medium account. Visit the Medium website and sign up for an account. You can use your Google account or email address for registration. Complete your profile. After creating an account, complete your Medium profile. Add the profile picture, write a bio, and provide relevant information about yourself. Explore Medium's interface. Familiarize yourself with Medium's user interface. Browse through articles, explore different publications, and get a sense of the content available. Click on your profile picture. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture. This will open a drop-down menu. Select Write a Story. From the drop-down menu, choose Write a Story. This will take you to the Medium editor, where you can compose your articles. Start writing. Use the editor to write your story. Add text, images, and any other media to enhance your content. Add tags. Include relevant text to improve the discoverability of your article. Tags help categorize your content and make it easier for readers to find. Choose publishing settings. Set your story to either be visible to everyone on the internet or limited to Medium members. You can also choose whether to allow claps and comments. Preview and edit. Before publishing, preview your story to ensure everything looks as you want it. Make any necessary edits. Hit publish. Once satisfied, click the publish button to make your article live on Medium.